Hey everyone! Today, we're comparing Readwise and Matter, two tools designed to help us manage reading, highlights, and knowledge retention. Readwise is built around syncing all highlights from Kindle, Instapaper, and articles, then resurfacing them with spaced repetition to help us actually remember what we read. Matter, on the other hand, is focused on creating a modern reading app where we can save articles, listen to them in audio form, and highlight seamlessly. Pros of Readwise: excellent integrations, highlight resurfacing, and knowledge retentions. Cons: not ideal for reading full articles. Pros of Matter: beautiful interface, text-to-speech audio, and strong social reading features. Cons: weaker integration than Readwise. If your main goal is remembering what you read, Readwise is best. If your goal is having a beautiful reading app and listening to saved articles, Matter is better. This has been How to Learn. We keep things smart and simple and scam-free.